Okay, so I figured out my problem. I had to deviate from the instructions in the book. Partially my fault and partially, I don't know, I don't want to blame the book, but I can't figure that out right now. So here's my fix. The first thing that I messed up on, I did not keep the Ned project layer once I projected the Ned property into Wig Zone 10. So now that it's projected, I've reprojected it, got it in Wig Zone 10. You can see that right here, spatial reference, Wig Zone 10. So what I ended up doing was I come up here like I was talking about before. The same thing that I had previously where I could not reclassify that slope. So this is the new slope based off of the correct projection. So this is actually how it's supposed to look before you reclassify it. Now, if I go to symbology like the book suggests, I come over here, the same problem that I had, right? I can't go in and delete these values, nor can I get two classes out of this. Even if I tried to delete, it's not happening. I can't remove those breaks. It goes down to a minimum of 6. And I can't move it. So what I did was I took this new correct slope from the projection and I reclassified it. So to do that, I went to Tools, Reclassify, Spatial Analyst Tools, Reclassify. So Input, Raster, Slope Ned PR1, and kept it at value. So here, if you haven't used the Reclassify tool yet, this is pretty easy, and this bypasses the symbology. So I would take out all but one. This is 0 to 14. I'm going to make the next column 14.001, and then I'm going to make this 128.0403747555859. I'm going to make this 2. So what this is going to do is going to take the values from 0 to 14 and make that 1. That the new value will be 1, and then 14.001 to, as in the book, 128.043, yada yada, to 2, a new value. So I'm going to change this to reclass slope 4. I'm actually going to just rename that instructions. Raster delete. Run the tool, compress successfully. So I come over here, this is my new output. If I go to symbology now, go to classify, interesting enough, I can modify everything in here as I'm supposed to. So if I go to 2, and I set this for green to red, my upper value is 1, and my second value is 2. There you go. There you have it. This is exactly like you're supposed to have in the book. So that's my solution. Quick recap. I projected the Ned elevation data into WIGS 84 Zone 10 UTM, and then I reclassified that into 2 columns, or 2 rows rather, and then I did the symbology. Sorry, it's early. It's 4:06 a.m. here. I'm leaving for Catalina tomorrow, so good times. Not wide awake right now. So yeah, symbology modified, and here you go. Thanks. Have a good night. See ya.